Brodhead Manor, a captivating historical landmark nestled in the heart of Brodhead, Wisconsin, has witnessed over a century of intrigue, from its grand opening in the early 1900s to its reputation as a haven for urban exploration and paranormal investigations. Whispers of the supernatural began to echo through its echoing hallways. Reports of ghostly apparitions, phantom whispers, and ghostly occurrences gave rise to the belief that Brodhead Manor was haunted. Locals and visitors alike shared tales of unsettling encounters, leaving an incredible mark on the manor's legacy. Bill Walter, the current owner of Brodhead Manor, has given us permission to explore and investigate the building. Bill did not think his venue was haunted. He was looking for a place to open his haunted house. He definitely got the best of both worlds. Paranormal investigators from all over the place and urban explorers, armed with specialized equipment and a thirst for answers, they descended upon Brodhead Manor in search of the concrete proof of its ghostly inhabitants. Their investigations yield chilling electronic voice phenomena, or also known as EVPs, spectral photographs, and unexplained phenomena, further proving the manor's reputation as a haunted dwelling. Perhaps most notable, Brodhead Manor bore witness to the arrival of Expedition Entity, the first paranormal investigation team to brave its haunted halls. This bold group of investigators embarked on a journey to document the spectral energies and unearth the mysteries lurking within the manor's walls. Their groundbreaking investigations marked a pivotal moment in the manor's paranormal history. Today, Brodhead Manor stands as an enduring testament to the intersection of history and the supernatural. From its grand opening in the early 1900s to its current status as a mecca for urban exploration and paranormal investigation, it continues to beckon those who dare to dive into its depths. The mysteries of Brodhead Manor remain alive, a captivating tale of a place where the past and the spectral unite in eternal fascination. Join us today as we are going to explore one of the most haunted areas of the building, the boiler room. So we are in the boiler room today. I have Diana Henry from Shadow Hunters, Paranormal Investigation and Events, and then I have Sharon down there from Shadow Hunters too. They are going to be guest starring on this first episode of Paranormal 1886. And like I said, we are in the boiler room investigating, kind of seeing if anything goes on. If anybody is here, can you make a noise? What did it say?
Oracularity. Oracularity.
God, these things are old.
Let's see if I can pull my camera back so we don't look like shadow. Two. There. Four.
Well, there's three of us. Are you the fourth?
Yeah, are you number four? Or are there four friends over there? Are you making my battery die? on my flashlight? Okay, I see you.
Do you see him?
No, he's making it go in and out of focus again. Okay. So we see you making it go in and out of focus. Can you kind of show yourself or peek around the corner or something?
Can you bang?
Yeah, bang on something.
What was that?
Okay, counts. Was like out there?
Yeah, there was a voice.
It was a voice? I thought it was just bang.
That's probably them.
What is this?
What is this?
It's a camera. On a tripod. Or are you making fun of us because we didn't know what that noise was? This is where I saw you the last time, was in that hallway. That's pretty much right after Nick took that picture of me standing there.
She will not. She will not.
What, I will not go back over there? Yeah, I will.
Go back over there. See.
Let's have Nick go back there. Do you like it that Nick's back there?
I was in and out of focus?
The hallway.
Oh.
Dude, I just saw a light right here.
Book.
What?
Book.
Book? Don't throw a book at me, I didn't see that.
There's no books in here.
Book, you can run.
Do I need to book it? You know, oh god, that's creepy. Could be somebody standing right on top of me and I would have no clue. God, these must have been all the way from back then. Is there somebody in the hallway? What'd it say?
Battery.
Are you gonna kill one of our batteries?
I don't kill our batteries.
So I brought the millimeter in case. The owner bill says when you open this door, it's like that's something else. Let's see.
When you opened it,
Yeah.
I saw something back off. It was like looking at us through the crack and it backed up. I get the most easy feeling every time I do that. Batteries. Are you killing the battery on my flashlight?
We're not here to harm you.
Definitely not. Should we go get the millimeter and
That's walking.
That's upstairs. Or
this.
Hello?
Okay, then it just stops.
Hazardous.
Hazardous.
That was weird. The walking, it just.
Video.
Video.
Yeah, we're videoing.
Video.
We're videoing
What
you.
is what? 70. 70. Somebody in the hallway? We hear you.
Hello?
Is somebody there in the hallway?
There's somebody in the hallway. That's crazy.
Who's making those footsteps?
Okay, still in the boiler room?
Yep.
Okay. So I have the headphones on and I can hear.
Oh, it's because it's zoomed in. There you are. This is handy. It's not focusing in at all.
How you doing, Sharon?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
Good.
Yeah, that's
The
weird.
number is unclear.
The number is unclear? What number are you referring to? Okay, so that was me.
We had decided to use the Melmeter with the REM pod attachment. This is part of the night where things definitely started getting very interesting. Did you hear that? What does it say?
70. I think it just, I gotta figure out how to turn off the,
I'm gonna go this way. Hello? Yeah, there ain't nobody in this hallway. There's nobody.
Even the janitor is not wanting me here. All
so weird.
alone am I.
Sharon, you're gonna get the most views on YouTube.
Exactly.
All alone am I.
Hospital.
Oh, in the hospital. Ever since your goodbye. Alone with just a bit of mine.
Who's that?
Mine.
Oh shit.
People.
Hold on, Sharon.
Nice missing.
Apparently, because there's somebody in here.
They were.
In the room that I'm in.
Who's over there? Who? Say that again? Did you say the neighbor?
Hello?
Does it sound like that? Get counted. Camera off.
You keep turning your camera on?
Fear me.
Fear you? Why? You plan on hurting me?
Hey,
Say a prayer.
hello?
Why are you doing this? Did you turn off my recorder? Looks like she did.
But it gave it up over there, energy.
Come on.
What did it say?
Uncover something.
Uncover what? What do you want us to uncover? There you go.
Thanks.
Now let's go. Where's open?
So you're getting...
What? Hoity?
What is this, a three-stick? The hoity-toity club?
There you go. Oh, you're okay. Are we all hoity-toity because we got these weird boxes? Did you just say yes?
Cuts.
Cuts.
Hoity-toity cuts. Are you a hoity-toity too?
That's interesting.
No, it wasn't mine.
Not mine.
Did you guys hear that noise
I
then?
heard something.
Like, sounded like a...
Fart? You never know with us.
If it was a... Well, I didn't realize ghosts fart. Ear?
Is that fear or here?
Did you say ear or fear? With an F.
What did it say?
Video.
Yeah, I'm videoing. Did I capture you on video?
Come on, let me... You're freezing up my camera, aren't you? Why are you not letting me record?
Ooh, now it's orange.
Devil.
No.
No, we don't
No,
play
no.
that game.
No, thank you.
No devils.
So we're
Was
Good.
it you?
getting
That
activity.
was me.
Oh. I was gonna say we're getting activity in the boiler room.
I don't know what he said. We're getting what, Nick?
We're getting activity in the boiler room.
Heck yeah. And it will not, I mean, it's a touch screen. And it won't.
The camera's not even doing anything, is it?
No, it's on.
Inches.
Let me see.
Inches?
So we'll go power off.
Anybody feel like it's just too quiet now?
It's very quiet.
It's open. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for let me turn it back on. I love it.
11.
11.
That was kind of weird. 11.
11.
Oh, that's why.
Fiddle.
Yes, I'm fiddling with it.
Fiddle fart.
Christopher.
Christopher.
Is Christopher down here?
Christopher?
Was Christopher the one that was walking in the hallway?
Yeah, was it you walking in the hallway? If it was, let us know.
Okay. Why were you in the hallway? You trying to freak us out? Trying to do a little freaky deaky?
Is it working now?
What did it say?
Yes. Are you trying to scare us?
Brodhead Manor is a very mysterious location, and this was just one little part of the building that we investigated. The rest of the building does have paranormal activity in it as well. So what do you guys think? Would you guys ever investigate the boiler room? Thank you guys so much for watching Paranormal 1986 on our first episode. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe to our channel as we will be bringing you brand new videos every single week. Take care. Good night.